Snap all the Wolves need, and there it is. 32 seconds and ticking. The Wolves will snap their 21-game losing streak. And they will do it on the night they name it Ed Fisher Field. They do it on Dan Erickson's first night as head coach. Look at the crowd down below. Look at the crowd. Look at the South Kitsap Wolves. People will storm the field here at Ed Fisher Field. You will not see anything like this anytime soon as the South Kitsap Wolves pull off a big one, 31-14 over the Rogers Rams. It's bedlam here tonight. The crowd is in the stands. Everybody's watching, and everybody's loving what they see tonight as the South Kitsap Wolves once again beat the Rogers Rams 31-14. Well, Dennis, it doesn't get any better than this. We can send it back to you. Here back at the KITZ 1400 studios is, well, for the Wolves, they fall behind 7-0 out of the gate. 35-yard run by Becker. Or Cameron Beck, rather. He was able to get in the end zone twice tonight, but the South Kitsap rallied for 21 unanswered points. And we're able to pull off a 31-14 win. K-Mac reminding you, it's still just a game even when you're winning. We'll see you next week, Friday Night Lights Football from Olympic Stadium. Dennis, back to you.